Hello, this is Cassandra. I'm a Vitamix demonstrator and I'm here to show you a recipe today using the Ventress 1200. And actually I have the 48 ounce container on today. It does come with a 64 ounce, but for my coconut milk recipe, I decided to use a smaller container. It's a great size. And of course has the wonderful new lids, which I love. So today we're gonna make a coconut milk, and it's so simple because we're just using coconut and water. Now, if you want to have a sweetened coconut milk, of course you can add honey, agave, sugar, or if you're somebody who's on a low carb or ketogenic diet, I really love using stevia. So let's get started. Now, one thing you're going to want to do with your coconut is soak it first. It'll turn out great unsoaked, but when it's soaked, it just comes out even more smooth and silky. So this is my dry coconut. And here is my soaked coconut. You can do it for a couple hours or do it overnight. If you're gonna soak it overnight, you might wanna put it in the refrigerator. So my coconut here is soaked, and I have 1 cup of coconut to 2 cups of water. So I'm simply gonna put that in my container. Now these wonderful new lids snap right on. And I'm gonna run it for about a minute on high. So let's get started. All right, so that's my coconut milk. I'm gonna give it a try and see how it came out. So this is going to be on the warmer side. It's not hot, but if you are going to immediately drink your nut milk or coconut milk, go ahead and pour it over ice. You see that beautiful silky consistency? Look at that. Taking a drink. It's nice. Now we have the fiber of the coconut still in there, so if you're somebody that wants a very fine, thin milk, you can strain it through a nut milk bag. Of course, if you combine this with ice, you're gonna have more of a shake consistency. And if your coconut is on the harder side, you may taste it and say, okay, I wanna run it for 25, 30 more seconds. The consistency can vary. So that's how to make a coconut milk and a Vitamix, and of course there's so many great recipes out there for the nut milks and the seed milks. But save some money, make things at home. You could add some cocoa powder to this. You could add cinnamon or some sort of extract like an almond extract and make it really exciting. Thanks for joining me. Have a good rest of your day.